Hi, Stuart Barn here, and this is the fifth in this short series of videos on joining up the minor pentatonic shapes. In this video, we're looking at minor pentatonic shape 5 and 1. That is the last pair of these shapes. As before, the reason for doing this is to break down the boxes or rather break down the boundaries between the boxes. So rather than always playing fixed in one shape and then eventually moving to another, we want to try to blur that edge between the two and use the two together, ultimately allowing us to seamlessly play up the whole neck using just minor pentatonic. Okay, so here is shape 5, A minor pentatonic. Just like before, where we're going to play down like that, and when we hit the top note, we then have to look for the next shape, which in this case is shape 1. This is the note I'm going to have to slide to, so I had to look ahead and then play down in pitch in shape 1. When I hit the lowest note, I then have to look back, visualize shape 5 and slide back. And so on. So that is the first approach. Then take pairs of strings, just like before. So we will do the E and the A string. Then slide into the next one. A and D. D and G. G and B. B and E. Then do in reverse. So starting in shape 5, play down in pitch, slide into the next area. It's probably worth mentioning, you have to sometimes squeeze these fingers together, especially in these larger frets. So I went, and then from here, obviously this is a much bigger size than this pair of frets. So I have to squeeze them together like that. You get used to it after a while. Okay, on to the next pair. That is the B and G strings, down in pitch. From the lowest note, slide up. G and D. And it's worth mentioning here, again, because of the size, I'm having to use my little finger here in preparation for that. If I use my third finger, that would be pretty difficult for me, at least anyway. D and A strings now. A and D, A and E. Okay, so that is the exercise. Get in your practice regime, get a metronome so it's pushing you a little bit. Make sure you do each of those pairs in both directions as well as the full set in both directions as well. Next is onto the improvising. So as before, what we want to try and do for the sake of expanding our capabilities is to constantly or fairly constantly be switching between these two shapes, or better yet, playing phrases that straddle the two shapes. So you may well find yourself doing unnatural things, but that's okay. If you do them for long enough, they do start to become natural. So here is my A7 backing again. Let's try a few phrases. Okay, so that is the task. Have fun with it. I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please give it a like, click subscribe, and feel free to share. See you in the next video.